So welcome to day 3 of your starter. You should have seen a bunch of bubbles settling on the top, and now we're ready to feed it. If you saw the dark liquid on top, you should have poured it out. That way your sourdough starter isn't too sour, and you can just pour it down the sink. I have 2 starters here because I wanted one to be a little bit more sour than the other, so it has different amounts of water. But the first thing you're gonna do is kind of see where your starter is, and you're gonna pour out half. So mine was at about 1 cup, and right now I'm pouring out to about half a cup. And I'm gonna keep it in a container in the fridge, and I could use this discard for a bunch of other recipes. So I'm gonna keep it in the fridge. It could last in the fridge for about a month. And once you poured out half your starter, you are going to add the same exact amount. So that's a half a cup of all-purpose flour. And room temperature water, 1/4 cup. And you're gonna mix it together just like you did the first time until it's thick and pasty. You're gonna do this for the next 7 to 10 days. And then I'm gonna show you how to do a float test to see if it's ready to bake in bread. But you're gonna keep mixing it together until it's thick and pasty. And then it's ready to go back in a warm place in your kitchen, loosely covered with either a lid or plastic wrap. So it's enough to get the air in, but enough to keep closed enough to keep the mold out. If you haven't done so already, it's a good idea to start labeling your sourdough starter on the day which you began. It just helps you keep track of the days, and then you'll know how many days you've been feeding it and when you think it's ready to start using in bread.